Which ski helmet with built-in goggles is actually worth your hard-earned money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the best options out there. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Livermo Dirt Bike Goggles. First up, we have the Livermo Dirt Bike Goggles 2-pack. Priced at just $14.24, I was honestly surprised by the quality for such a low price. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option to protect your eyes while skiing or riding, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product stands out. The goggles come in a pack of 2, one colorful pair and one clear pair, making them super versatile for different conditions. They're designed to fit comfortably under helmets and protect against wind, dust, and UV rays. The lightweight and bendable material means they won't weigh you down. Plus, with a 4.5-star rating from over 2,100 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate their comfort and effectiveness. Here's the thing though, for the price, this is a small trade-off. Just ensure you keep the vents open and you'll be good to go. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget and need a reliable pair of goggles for skiing or other outdoor sports. Skip this one if you prefer higher-end options with more advanced features. Now, if the budget-friendly aspect of the Livermo goggles sounded appealing, the next helmet might just offer that extra layer of protection you're looking for. Product number 2, Odolin Snowboard Helmet Black. Next, let's talk about the Odolin Snowboard Helmet with ski goggles, priced at $53.99. The sleek black design instantly caught my attention, and if you want a reliable helmet-goggle combo, this is definitely worth a look. This set offers an outstanding level of protection for anyone who loves winter sports. The outer PC shell paired with EPS foam ensures that you're safe during falls or collisions. The helmet has 10 air vent holes that allow for ample airflow, keeping you cool, while the goggles feature a Flowtech venting design to minimize fogging. With a solid 4.7-star rating from 658 reviews, users rave about its comfort and fit. But let's keep it real, some users mention that the helmet can be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, the extra weight translates to better protection, which is what really matters on the slopes. This is perfect for you if you're serious about winter sports and want a helmet that combines comfort and safety. Skip this one if you're looking for something sleeker that prioritizes style over protection. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for maximizing comfort during long days on the slopes. Product number 3, Odolin Ski Helmet Light Cyan. Continuing with Odolin, we have another solid pick, the ski helmet with built-in goggles, available in a light cyan color for $53.99. If you want something that stands out while providing top-notch protection, you'll want to hear this. Just like the previous model, this helmet combines a PC outer shell with EPS foam for safety and comfort. It features the same 10 air vent holes to keep your head cool, but the goggles are designed with a unique Flowtech venting system specifically tailored to reduce fogging. With a similar 4.7-star rating, it's clear this helmet is well loved by users. However, some users did mention the fit isn't perfect for everyone, particularly those with larger heads. But honestly, that's something that can often be fixed with a little adjustment, so I wouldn't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a helmet that prioritizes both style and safety without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have a larger head and struggle to find a comfortable fit. Now, if you want something that takes comfort a step further, the next option might just be what you're looking for. Product number 4, Odolin Ski Helmet Blue. Now we have another fantastic option from Odolin, the ski helmet with visor goggles for $43.19. If you're all about skiing in style while ensuring safety, this is definitely worth considering. This helmet-goggle combo is incredibly lightweight, which means less strain during those long ski days. The shock-proof and penetration-resistant design gives you peace of mind while you're hitting the slopes. Users love the comfort of the adjustable chin band, and with a 4.4-star rating from 1,100 reviews, it's evident that many appreciate its practical features. The goggles also boast a Flowtech venting design to keep fog at bay. Now, a common complaint was about the insulation in colder weather. Here's the thing. If you're skiing in extreme conditions, layering up underneath might be necessary, but for most casual skiers, this helmet will do just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight helmet for all your snow sports adventures. Skip this one if you plan on skiing in super cold temperatures. Alright, that was a great option for weight-conscious skiers. The next product takes comfort and warmth to a whole new level. Product number 5, Odolin Ski Helmet Set. Finally, let's check out the Odolin Ski Helmet and Goggles Set, retailing at $53.99. This option is all about maximizing safety and comfort for an enjoyable ski experience. If you're serious about winter sports, this is worth a look. This set includes a helmet with 14 air vent holes for ventilation, which means no more discomfort from heat buildup. The goggles come with a Flowtech venting design to prevent fogging, ensuring you maintain clear vision. With a 4.6-star rating from 3,300 reviews, users have praised how well this set protects while still being comfortable. One downside I noticed was some users felt the color options were limited. But honestly, if safety and comfort are your primary concerns, the color shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you plan on spending a lot of time on the slopes and want maximum protection. Skip this one if you're looking for more color variety or something more stylish. In summary, you've got a solid range of ski helmets with built-in goggles to choose from. Whether you're on a budget or looking for top-tier protection, there's something here that fits your needs. To wrap it up, we've reviewed 5 fantastic ski helmets with built-in goggles. From budget-friendly options like the Livermo goggles to the highly protective Odolin sets, there's definitely something for everyone. Make sure to pick one that fits your style and needs and stay safe on the slopes.